Another Adobe Illustrator quick tip by Fatfly Design. Let's take a look at the Shape Builder tool in Adobe Illustrator. Now I must admit at the beginning of this video, this is not a tool that I use hardly ever, and I just haven't practiced enough to be really good at it, but I know the basics of it, and I do think it's something that I will explore more in the future. So I'm going to zoom in here. I've got quite a few different shapes. They're all overlapping each other. I intentionally gave each of them a different fill and a different stroke so we can sort of see what it does. Now if I just select the shape tool itself and don't select any of this, nothing's going to happen. Okay? So you have to remember to use the Shape Builder tool. You need to select what you want to work with first. So I'm going to start with this magenta circle and then this blue circle that has a black stroke on it. So I'm going to select both of these pieces. And then I'm going to go to the Shape Builder tool. And what it's going to do is I'm going to start up here, and hopefully you can see that through this video, that as I hover over different pieces, it sort of highlights them with this little gray overlay or dotted overlay here. So I'm going to click and I'm going to start here, and it's also a little bit hard to see, but there's a plus sign next to this arrow. That means I'm going to add to my pieces. So I'm going to start here, I'm going to click and I'm going to drag and I'm going to add this piece, and I'm going to add this piece, and I'm going to let go, and all of those are going to become the same piece. Undo that and let's look at that one more time. I'm going to start here, overlap this piece, and they all become one piece. They also all come to the front. Now I've got a few more pieces down here. I could continue on. I could make sure that I select this and this, and then I could use Shape Builder and overlap and add all those, and they all become the same piece again. And I'm going to select this piece and this piece. So let's keep adding pieces here. I'm going to select this and this, and Shape Builder, and now I have that. And I've got a couple more down here. I'm just going to select both of these, all of these, and grab the Shape Builder tool and select all of them. Now what I ended up with is just all of these are a single shape now. If I go to outline mode, you can see that. Okay, I'm going to back way up here. I'm going to hide some of this, so I think it'll be easier for you to see what's going on. We'll go to outline mode. So what I have is I've got a round and corner rectangle overlapping a circle and another round and quarter rectangle overlapping that. Go back to preview mode. I'm going to select this black round and corner rectangle and the circle, and I'm going to go back to the Shape Builder tool. Now if I hold my Option key down, that plus sign turns to a minus sign. That means I'm going to subtract from. So I'm going to come over here. I'm just going to click on this black piece right here, and what it's going to do is just cut that out. Okay, so you can also use it to subtract parts. I could on this side, let's select what I want to work with, and then go to my Shape Builder tool. I'm going to hold my Option key down. I'm going to subtract this, and it's going to cut that part out of there. So this is a tool that can help you build some unique shapes. I personally have just found other approaches to do much of this. I like to use the Pathfinder and the scissors and the knife tool, but I encourage you to experiment with the shape tool. It may be a tool that really helps you build some more complex, unique shapes that you haven't been able to build before in Illustrator. Thanks for watching this Illustrator quick tip. I hope it was helpful. If you like what you saw, please hit like and subscribe below. And if you get a chance, visit my website at fatflydesign.com.